Whoa, look at this view. Kau hanya open the window, sayang.
Why I didn't see that when we go first, right?
Oh my goodness.
So lovely, isn't it?
Oh.
The road is small, but it's enjoyable to drive. It's very safe, not much traffic, and it's not bumpy.
So nice. So many cows. Wow, nice. Right, so we arrive in the area of Karpacz.
It's the Karpacz city. Never been here also.
Look, so many tourists already walking.
Yeah,
on the
that's
street,
tourist city. On the bottom of the Śnieżka. Śnieżka is on the top of us. You see the big mountain covered with cloud. We were there on the Czech Republic side, so this is Polish town Karpacz. We are not in Czech Republic anymore. There are some tourist attractions or restaurants.
Nice.
We're gonna have a stroll around. We're gonna park over somewhere and have a look. Little bit, yeah?
Tak,
Oh, they have a Mercure hotel here somewhere.
tak. Right.
Restaurants. There's also famous Gołębiowski hotel.
Ah, that's kawiarnia, kochanie. Let's
Yeah,
go
we
there.
have to have a... And somewhere here is the wooden church also,
Let's see.
which we supposed to have a look on.
Let's find a parking.
Yeah, we're gonna find a park here and somewhere. And then we're gonna go have a coffee. Tak?
Tak.
Don't know only where we're gonna find the park.
So we keep going and going, just looking for parking first. And yeah, this is typical mountain resort, right? Hotel, something like that.
Mountain city.
On the left, on the right side.
Now we have to do the U-turn and come back.
It's okay.
But we keep going somewhere. Stroll a little bit around. Yes, we are here. Quite a lot of people, not gonna say no.
Nice.
There are many hotels here also. Nice view of the mountains, that's for sure. Little town. It's pretty nice. Different, right?
Yes, totally different. Mountain, a tourist vibe.
That's for sure without the apps. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, many hotel, huh? Oh, look at the beautiful mountain. And the architecture of the building also totally different here.
Yeah, a little bit different, that's for sure. Yeah. Mountainish vibes.
Dark made of wood. Nice. Dobry, kochani.
Dzień dobry from Karpacz.
Alright, so we are in Karpacz. It's actually, there is the mountain where we were last time, right,
The mountain
kochani?
is actually behind the building, but you cannot see, but we are from the Polish side. We are from the Czech Republic side, from the other side, right?
Okay, so now we are from the Polish side.
Yeah, we are in Karkonosze actually, Sudety Karkonosze mountains. Well, let's have a look actually, yeah.
Yes. Nice. This is really a tourist spot in Poland, right? And-
Especially for the people from Wrocław and Poznań, this is the closest what we can came here for the mountains. So there's the most popular for the Poznań and Wrocław people actually.
I see.
And I believe during the winter is more popular, but summer is also busy.
Yes. Nice. Very nice restaurant. Interesting. Ooh.
Grill Pub Africa.
Zapiekanki. Let's go to have a coffee. Nice. Kochani,
Again, like back in Bali, tourist city.
yeah.
It's not bad. Very nice.
You wanna have a coffee?
Yeah, I need to get a coffee somewhere, no?
Tak. Everywhere tourists. Nice.
I think this one.
Let's
The
see.
wooden.
Tak,
We have to choose. I don't know. Let's have a look and let's choose one.
tak. Nice. Honey, it's fika time, coffee o'clock. So now we are in the area of Karpacz, actually a tourist place, right, Kohani?
But
You see on the left, on right side, many people are walking, and we have a coffee.
the coffee looks good actually. They make it
And
nice.
sernik.
And sernik.
Tak. So one thing, whenever you come to Poland, you have to try the Polish cheesecake, sernik. Nice.
It's a little bit different than New York style cheesecake though.
You see, even the honey coming because nice. So honey, I think it's winter time will be more beautiful. Look, this kind of building, wooden building, and so many tourists here, right? Winter will be busier.
Tak. And I have a plan to come back here on the winter to see the other side of the Poland, huh? Because
Let's
the
see.
mountains with the snow and everything. We will dress nicely and come.
Tak. Now let's go where the tourists going.
Little bit.
Nice.
Because we have to go home, we have a 3-hour drive.
Tak. So many restaurants.
Yeah.
Nice. Wow.
Let's go.
Nice. Ice cream shop.
Coffee and cake outside.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice restaurant also with the nice architecture over there, yeah?
Tak.
Astoria or something.
Mhm.
Sounds actually very, very something familiar.
Tak.
Oh, there
Nice.
is a nice park there.
Ah, let's go. Nice. Kochani, look. This one is the church, tak?
There is also one different church,
Uh-huh.
Wang or Wong,
Uh-huh.
but we're gonna visit it when we are in winter because that's the oldest wooden church in Poland, built by the Vikings in Norway.
Okay, but now we will stroll around.
Yeah.
Nice park. People are going up there, Kohani.
Yeah.
So,
Let's take a look. Let's go first there.
okay. So that was the park, actually, and then now we keep going. I like to record how it looks, the tourist spot on summer, right, Kohani?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Nice. Oh, look at this restaurant with the old side building. Nice. Let's go. Right. Let's keep walking. What is this in the front? Is it the church? Oh,
But this is actually beginning of Walking Street, the most tourist area of Karpacz.
let's see. Nice. Oh, look at this. Nice. This one is the walking street. Nice. Let's go. Wow. Look at this building, Kohani.
Very nice. But with all with the church, actually.
Wow.
This one is nice.
This is very mountain tourist spot, tak?
This is like a center of Karpacz, actually.
Uh-huh. Wow. This is the church. That's the church. Let's see.
It's quite busy, no?
Tak. Nice. Huh? Pizzeria?
No, this is like a tourist center, so they will have everything, you know?
Tak.
More ice cream, more bars, more tavern, more ice cream places,
Tak.
more and more. I think if we go to the end of the street, we're gonna see the Śnieżka mountain where we were on yesterday's video.
Ah, nice.
Souvenirs.
Nice. Look at the houses over there on the top.
Yeah.
This is typical. What they have rodeo show or something
Yeah,
like
but
that.
this is like typical to the mountain vibe.
Ah, nice.
Nice. A nice shop with the nice wooden construction actually.
This is like a mama house.
Yeah,
Make of the woods.
because my mama house was actually built in northern Poland, but construction was from the southern Poland, from the mountains actually. That's why my mama house with a lot of wood like this.
Oh,
The cheese.
wow, look at this. Look.
Tak, very nice, isn't it?
Tak. Nice. Oh, nice, kochanie.
Nice, isn't it?
Tak.
Something different, huh?
On the left. I feel like I'm only Asian here. Nobody. I'm the only one Asian here.
Yeah, for some reason there will be not that many foreigner tourists here because this is not Zakopane. Everybody, all the foreigner tourists going to Zakopane, but they're forgetting about the smaller towns like this one. That's the whole thing. That's why if you watch the monkeys, you can learn something new.
Tak. Wow.
But down there is also street with the restaurants and the wooden.
Nice. Nice.
Ja, aber das ist wie eine normale Box. There are also German tourists here, I just heard some.
Ah, yeah, it's okay. Nice. Very nice. Tak. Wow. So many nice things. I just recording the tourists.
Oscypek, which is the mountain cheese, only available in the mountains of Poland.
Nice.
You wanna try? Or next
What?
time? Cheese.
Cheese?
Next time, yeah?
Tak. Wow. So many nice things. Oh, look at this. That's the historiczny park miniature.
Yeah, this is the history of the Karpacz probably. Yeah, how they bring the church.
Tak.
And how
Nice.
it was looked long time ago.
Nice.
Nice hotel there.
Oh, look at the pink building.
They building
Nice.
something. But also look at the hotel over there.
There's the hotel?
That's
Nice. Honey, I think this one is more busier than the one in Czech
yeah,
Republic,
that's
no?
the thing actually. Yeah, I just realized actually yes, this one is definitely way more busier than in Czech. But I don't know why it's like, but that's how does it look like.
Nice. On the left. Ah, on the right side. So many people. What is this? Coffee shop again? Nice.
Hey, you know what I realized?
Uh-huh.
As the coffee actually here is cheaper than in Poznań. I thought it will be more expensive because of the tourist place, but it's actually cheaper.
Oh, many shop. What is this? It's like a food market?
Yeah, like a food market.
Oh, that's the another church. I don't know. Ah, look at this. So many nice thingy. So cute. Oh, what is this? Look at this one. Huh?
Like a restaurant.
Uh-huh.
Karczma.
But look at the building, you see?
Yeah, the wooden one, so it's gonna be as the karczma.
Ah,
Considered like this one. It's nice, a lot of nice things.
Right, and look at that. This one is like in
And
the...
this one actually, it's coming from the Pivo brewery where we were in the Czech Republic.
Uh-huh.
I can see Pivovar Trutno.
Nice.
So maybe this is their restaurant actually, you know?
Nice. Let's go up. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this restaurant. The queue is so long.
Yeah, that's the steakhouse.
Ah,
And it's becoming to be rainy.
tak. Nice. Oh. Nice. Wow. I never see this place like so packed like this.
So if it's busy during the summer, imagine during the winter.
Yeah. Nice. Wow. Nice. Look at this house. Nice. Oh, it's starting raining. Ah. Nice. Ah, look at this building. This one is like Ratus, kohanya.
It may be actually Ratus.
Yeah, look at that building as well. Nice. And that's mountain behind. Nice.
Mountain at the front of us.
That one?
This is the Śnieżka. This is
Ah, nice. Beautiful.
nice as there is the mountain with the woods and everything is like going. That's the walking street. We have some shops. Saya, you wanna try the cheese, yeah?
Let's see.
Let's see where we can buy the cheese for you. There are some shops, but there are not that many souvenirs actually. Some, but not much. Ice creams. Look at that nice architecture. That's the slushy, like a frozen drink.
What is this?
That's the cheese. But I saw the nice shop with the cheese somewhere.
Okay.
And this is the steakhouse. Actually, also nice building. Yeah, not bad at all. And it's, I don't know why, but so many people queuing outside, huh? Interesting, isn't it? Ice cream, more ice cream. That's how does it look like here in Karpacz. This restaurant is full of people. Nice, yeah? Alright. Oh, this cheese is closed. Actually, but where was that? We're gonna find somewhere. I don't know. There's so many of those. Cafe. That's how does it look like. We came from that direction. Oh, there's souvenirs actually. Must be summer souvenirs though. Must be. Alright, that's how does it look like here in Karpacz. Small town but nice. Okay, maybe we're gonna buy some ser here, cheese. Oscypek. Let's see. Quite a lot of people waiting. Are you gonna buy something here, yeah?
Decided to buy the cheese. Wow. Kohani.
Nah, very nice, isn't it?
And they're gonna grill it there, no?
Yeah.
I wanna buy one. This one, how she grill it, and this one, you see? The cheese.
Da radę kartą, czy tylko...
Da radę, pewnie, że da radę, no.
Dobra.
3,50. No rozpoznaje twarzy, nie?
To się zdarzy, no. Yeah, this is the one. We're gonna go here during the winter, huh? Okay, let's try your cheese
So
now.
this one is the cheese with what?
With żurawina, which is the I forgot in English, but it's hot cheese with żurawina, which is the So you eat with the fork, huh? Oh, it's so sweet. Zion. Is it nice? You like it? Though?
Oh, good. It's highly recommended. Whenever you come here, I just buy small piece because I don't know. I'm not a cheese lover, actually, but this one, so good.
Nice.
Oh, good.
Like it? Okay, give me a bite, little bit, small bite. So the cheese nice? Very nice. This is little bit of the historical city. You can find also the church like this one. We're gonna visit next time during the winter. Some rocks, many more buildings. This is all on the Karpacz Polish side. Probably another things you can find on the Czech side. Like it's nice to visit both countries though. But overall, like a lot of things ongoing. Yes, a lot of things to explore, right?
Highly recommend it for you to explore a different cities in Poland. Like I feel I'm the only one Asian here.
Probably you are. I saw somebody
Yes.
else, but
Yes, so what I can say that I think that's all our video today, guys. It's very nice. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.
bye.
Oh, look at this one. The bus Karpacz. Nice. And this one, the balloon guy. Interesting. Nice. Look at the church. Ooh. Nice. Nice. So we are going home. And look at the green thingy. And I think that holiday homes here on the left,
I
no?
think so. Holiday homes, like some sort of. Some people like to stay outside, right?
Yes. So we are going home now.
Home during the sunset. Actually, we're gonna arrive around
So
22.
3 hours for 311 kilometers.
Nice. That's what I like it.
Tak. 1 hour for 100 kilometers. Look at this, kohanye. Green surrounding.
Very nice.
Look. Oh, look. So nice.
Nice.
And the sun behind. Wow.
Very nice, isn't it?
Look at this. Yes. Nice. Right. People going to the woods. Riding bicycle. The green like this.